Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you that how do I practice at home alone. So for that I have two water bottles and I'm going to talk about this bottle. Okay, so let's get started. I have two water bottles. Both are different in colors. One is blue in color and the other one is light orange in color. This blue bottle is smaller than the orange one. The orange one is bigger than the blue one. This blue bottle can hold up to 500 ml water, and this one can hold 600 ml water. Both are different in color, size, and shapes. I have brought these two bottles yesterday for my kids. This is how I practice. If you like, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. And if you want more such kind of videos, so please comment me below.